Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another unbagging for you. Now, this comes to me from Colorfuldiy, and I just want to say thank you to them for sending this to me to share with all of y'all. And I hope everyone's having a great day, and please don't forget that if you're new or just passing through, to subscribe, like, and comment. Hitting the like button does help my channel to grow, and I enjoy reading all the comments, and I always comment back. And of course, I would love for you to subscribe, and that way you know when I do a video and you can comment on more. So, all right, let's go ahead and get into this. I'm just going to pull those two out. I only have 3 items. So, I'm going to go ahead and get this one out. It's a little smushed up. Move the loud plastic bag. And as you can see, I don't know if maybe Customs might have done that looking at it. I don't know. So, anyway, what this is a lamp, or it's considered a lamp is what it's called. It is a Christmas light double-sided lamp decoration. So this is how it comes. All right, and you've got little hose. If y'all can see the hose, you got little hose in there. Let's see. We have got some tools here. We've got a screwdriver. We've got some sticky. And we've got some little lights right there. And we have got this, which is your battery pack and your wires for the lights. All right. Let me open this up and we'll look at this. Maybe. Yeah, here we go. Just had to find where it opens. Now, I don't know. I'm going to have to look and see how to do this, because it doesn't, well, it really doesn't have any directions on how to do this, but we'll figure it out. So we have got some red round, large round. And then here's these. These are like a very pale yellow. And then we've got just the regular crystals. So we've got some gold. We've got some very, very, very light purple, green, darker green, and then a yellow. And we've got some red. And then we've got some darker red, and then we've got some more gold. So these are the drills, or the crystals, gems, whatever you want to call them, that comes with this. And then it also comes with your normal toolkit. It just added a few bags to it. It's got the green boat, the little square of wax, and the pink single placer pen. Just normal toolkit. So I'm going to say that you take and you do both sides of this. Okay. And then we're probably, this is probably going to go in here. And it's going to probably set like this somehow. And, okay, so this is going to be to put on that in order to set it on there. And we'll just have to figure this part out. Yeah, I might end up having to do this one and come back and do a review on it, because I am really curious about this. Alright, so that's what I'll do. I'll do this, and then I'll come back and do a review at the end of the video. So there is that. And this on the Colorful DIY website is $12.99 for that. Alright, so the next thing that I got was a partial special shaped canvas. This is a 30 by 40. Comes with your normal toolkit. And then you've got your drills. I'm going to roll this back a little bit because it's wanting to roll up on me. So this is what I got. Sorry about the glare. So this is a 30 by 40. She's got 8, if I put it in camera, she has got 8 different gems with her. Very pretty. I love the color. Very sticky. Alright. And she is called Dress Angel Lady. 30 by 40. And she was $4.99. And as you can see, we don't do her face or her skin. We are just going to be doing, well, we're going to be doing everything else except for her face and her shoulder and her hand. So, very, very pretty. Let's look at these drills. I keep wanting to call them drills. The crystals, the gems, the special shapes. Okay, so they only sent one of these, which goes right there. I get why they do it because you only need one, but they need to start sending it at least one extra, because if this was cracked or broke, say the tip was broke off of it or all the glitter was off of it, I wouldn't have any other thing to choose from. So it would be, I'd have to use a broken gem or just, you know, not use something. So we have got some pearl, and then we have got these blue marquee, and then we have got these green teardrops. Those are like, they're a little bit bigger than the ones that I call slivers, but they're still going to be tiny. And then we have got like this aqua blue. We've got like, it's almost it's like an antique gold looking. Then we've got green and then another color of gold. That would almost, I guess that could be amber color. But this is very pretty. She's going to be very pretty when she's completed. And luckily there isn't anything wrong with that one special shape there. So again, she is called Dress Angel Lady for $4.99. Alright. So, the last thing that I did get from them was another special shape. I just really like doing them, and they're faster than getting, you know, full drills. So it comes with a normal toolkit. There's the crystals. I'll turn this one over, roll it up. Move that out of the way. And this is the image that I got. And as you can see, it's just a chair with a bouquet of flowers sitting in the seat of the chair. And that's actually what it's called, is a bouquet. So, as you can see, it is a partial. So, none of this is done. Just the chair and the flowers. Very clear drill field. Very sticky. And I thought it was cute. And there's a few different styles of this. There's a few styles of the lady too. But this one actually has, I think, maybe 4, 5 different styles to pick from. I thought this one was the prettiest. So let's look at the drills. Oh my god, I said it again. Let's look at the gems. Sorry about the crinkly noise. It is what it is. Alright. So we have got some gold balls, half balls. We have got these red, orange marquees. We have got hot pink, like a fuchsia, I guess. Then we've got gold. We've got a big old bag of this pink, big bag of green, and another big bag of gold. This is just darker gold. Very, very pretty. This is going to be really cute when it's completed. And then it just sealed itself. Come on. Okay. Alright. Get back in there. Get back in there. Okay. So, and as you can see, it does have the kit number, or the canvas number on the bags. It goes along with this. And this has got 7 colors on it. So, this one was $5.99. And it's a 30 by 40. Again, this one was $4.99. And it's a 30 by 40. And then this, which is the Christmas tree light lamp. And it was $12.99 on Colorfuldiyy's website. So I am going to go ahead and do this one. And then I will come back and show y'all what it looks like completed. Okay, so I finally figured out how to do this. So I went ahead, let me bring y'all up just a little. I went ahead and I did the, went ahead and diamond painted the front and the back. I'm not going to lie, I had to get on Google and look and see if somebody had some kind of tutorial or something on how to put the lights on here, which I kind of figured how to do it anyway, but I wanted to make sure. But they send you these little things and then these clear plastic screws and this screwdriver. And all you do is, once you have these diamond painted, excuse me, after you've diamond painted both sides, then you take one of these and you put the screw in on this side and you screw it into one side of this. And then you take your wires, or your lights, which is an extremely long, thin, like fairy lights, but they're very, very, very thin. And you just take and you wrap it around. I started down here and I went this way and then back down and then back across. And then there was enough lights to go around twice. So once I got the lights on, the little battery box is in there. And you take the foam double-sided tape. I stuck it on the box first, and then I stuck it to just one side of these. Now, it did take me a few minutes to maneuver it around to where I could get the on and off switch here on the bottom. But very simple to do once you sit there and you figure out how to do it. So, I'm going to turn my light off. Of course, you see what it looks like right now. It's very, very shiny. sparkly, very cute. It just stands right there on your desk like that. And this is what it's going to look like turned on. And you can see that the lights are all different colors. And I'm going to turn my light here off. Hopefully y'all can see. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, they are different colors. There's blue, pink, green, and white. And I think it looks really good. So, what do y'all think? I think this turned out really good. And I think I'm honestly going to get a couple more because I had fun doing this. And I can leave this on my desk during Christmas. And then that way, you know, I'll have a little lit Christmas tree right here on my desk. So, you do have extras. I guess I'm going to turn this off and turn my overhead light back on. Okay, so I like the fact that they sent the screwdriver. Although I have a bunch of these because I get them in different kits, but I like to keep them. And then they give you extras of these in case you, I guess, drop one, break one, lose one. So that's good. And I had plenty of drills left over. So I had all of these left over. I even had some of the special shapes left over. Just a few, not many. Except for the... Well, no, I did have a couple of the little red things there. But as you can see, I was not going to run out at all. And I just worked this right out of the bags. I sat in the living room, watched TV last night, and just worked these right out of the bags. But yeah, so cute. And, like I said, on Colorfuldiyy's website, this is, $12.99. And I think it's pretty well worth it. And it just, you just need 2 AAA batteries. I think on the box it says AA, but it's not. It's AAA. But yeah, y'all go check out Colorfuldiy, their website. They've got some specials going on. They got some sales going on. Get your Christmas gifts. And I really like this. I am very excited about this. So, alright. So, that's all I've got for y'all today. I will leave the links to the canvases and to this desktop ornament in my description box. I'm sure they probably still have it in stock. And all the codes and everything in my description box. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And I appreciate each and every one of you. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.